Waking up with neck pain can ruin your entire day, right? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Cozy Player Adjustable Cervical Pillow. Priced at $39.98, what caught my attention was its hollow, concave design. If you want a pillow that cradles your neck and aligns your spine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hollow concave surface is tilted at a 15-degree angle, which cradles your head and maintains your neck's natural curve. It's designed with 6 contour zones, targeting pressure points and providing full support to your neck, shoulders, and arms. This means you can finally say goodbye to that nagging neck pain, which 20,000 buyers can attest to, having purchased it just last month. Now, some people complained about a slight odor from the memory foam. Here's the thing though, it's normal for new memory foam products to have a smell. Just air it out for 48 hours and you should be good to go. Honestly, I didn't think it was a deal breaker because the comfort it provides is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you struggle with neck pain and are looking for a customizable sleep height. Skip this one if you prefer a firmer pillow. For the price, it's a solid investment and better sleep. Now, if the Cozy Player's smell bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. The Dynama Cervical Pillow, also at $39.99. What stood out to me was the 2 height options it offers. If you're looking for a pillow that adapts to your sleeping position, this is definitely worth considering. The Dynama pillow features a unique design that fits your spine's natural curve and provides proper neck and shoulder support. It has 2 heights, 3.54 inches on one side and 5.51 inches on the other, allowing you to choose what feels best for your sleeping style. This flexibility is crucial, especially if you switch positions at night. Plus, it's made from CertaPer US certified foam, ensuring no harmful chemicals are involved, which is a big bonus. However, some users mentioned that it might feel too firm initially. But here's the thing. Like many memory foam products, it takes time to break in. Once you get used to it, the support it offers can really help relieve those nighttime aches. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself waking up with discomfort and need a supportive pillow that adapts. Skip this one if you like a softer, plush feel. Overall, it's a solid investment for better sleep quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a truly cooling experience. Product number 3. Cozy Player White Adjustable Pillow. Coming in third is another option from Cozy Player, the White Adjustable Pillow, also priced at $39.98. I was intrigued by its cooling features. If you're a hot sleeper struggling with neck pain, this might just be your answer. This pillow incorporates a Q-Max 0.4 Arc Chill cooling pillowcase that reduces skin temperature by 5 degrees Celsius. For those of you sweating through the night, that's a game changer. Plus, the breathable memory foam enhances airflow, making sure you stay comfortable. The customizable height feature is still there, allowing you to adjust the pillow to fit your preferred sleeping position. However, a few reviews pointed out the need to adjust to its firmness. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. Once you get accustomed to it, the support can really transform your sleep. The initial discomfort is often worth the long-term benefits. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself waking up drenched in sweat and with neck pain. Skip this one if you need immediate softness and comfort. At this price, it's worth trying for a cooler, pain-free night. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for neck pain, the next product might suit you perfectly. Product number 4. The Osteo Cervical Pillow. Also at $39.99. The unique hollow design caught my eye. If you've been suffering from neck pain and sleepless nights, this might bring you some relief. The Osteo pillow features a hollow center that cradles the head, promoting cervical curve maintenance. This means better alignment and less pressure on your neck and shoulders, a big win for those of you dealing with chronic neck pain. Plus, it's adjustable, giving you the option to flip it for a higher or lower height based on your preference. The cooling 3D mesh pillowcase also ensures you won't overheat during the night. Now, some users have mentioned that it can feel too soft at times. Here's the thing. The softness can actually be beneficial for side sleepers. It allows for a bit of give, but if you prefer something firmer, you might want to consider this. This is perfect for you if you sleep on your side or back and need a personalized approach to your pillow height. Skip this if you prefer a firm pillow. Overall, it's a great investment for those looking to alleviate neck pain. Finally, let's talk about a pillow that has been a favorite for many looking for comprehensive neck support. Product number 5, Cozy Player Cooling Pillow. Last but not least, we have another Cozy Player cooling pillow, priced at $39.98. This one emphasizes its ergonomic features. If you're tired of waking up with neck pain, this pillow might be the solution you need. Similar to the other Cozy Player models, this pillow has that hollow, concave design that offers excellent support for your neck and spine. It helps maintain proper alignment, which is crucial if you want to wake up feeling refreshed. It's made from breathable memory foam, so you're not just getting support, but also comfort without overheating. However, some customers mentioned that it's a bit too adjustable, which can be disorienting. Honestly, while it's great to have choices, it might take a little experimenting to find your ideal setting, but once you do, it's a game changer for neck pain. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable experience and struggle with neck pain. Skip this if you prefer a standard pillow without extra adjustments. At this price point, it's definitely worth a shot for anyone serious about their sleep quality. So, there you have it. The Cozy Player adjustable pillow offers a great customizable option, while the Dynama brings flexibility with its height choices. The Cozy Player white pillow excels in cooling features, and the Osteo provides solid support for chronic neck pain. Finally, the Cozy Player cooling pillow rounds it off with excellent ergonomic design.